I had one of these cars 24 hours away, 2021 S-Line Q7 Black Edition. It sold instantly. Here's another fine example. It's in Navarra Blue. Key extras. It's a Black Edition, so it looks the part. It's all de-chromed. But you've got them 22-inch diamond cut wheels. It's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. And the colour Navarra Blue is beautiful. It's the latest model. And I think with the Q7, so this car's the latest shape, latest generation car, 15,000 miles, for the price it's going up for, 7 seats, diesel, it's a 50 TDI, so it's 286 brake horsepower, bags of specification, you get a lot of car for your money. And if you look at the front, you've got that beautiful Black Edition grille, all surround. It's Quattro, you've got the inserts in gloss black. You've got these beautiful sweeping adaptive LED headlights. With it being the Black Edition, the little flared arches, the wheels which I touched on earlier, they just transform the look of the car. Massive option, 22-inch diamond cut wheels. It's got mud flaps which have been fitted. It's a Black Edition, so we've got black mirrors, the little skirt, de-chromed around the windows, privacy glass. And then as we move around the rear, you can see them sweeping indicators. I'll open the electric tailgate and show you. Q7s are very popular because you've got extra space here behind the 7 seats. You've got the extra 2 seats in the back. You can drop all them down electronically, little buttons on the side there, but you've still got boot space. Electric tailgate, big rear diffuser finished in high gloss black. And then when we move on inside, with Audis, I think you get a real soft, beautiful leather. So look at this. So it's a Black Edition, so we've got piano black around there. You've got Alcantara door on the door cards, memory seats, this lovely heated, soft Napa leather throughout. And then you've got all that beautiful digital interior, so you get a digital cockpit, digital along the centre console, flat bottom steering wheel, sliding sunroof, which is an absolute massive feature, makes a big difference to the car. And then you've got things that are standard, so we've got cruise control, we've got reversing camera, we've got heated seats, driver and passenger, all the climate control, everything's digital. If we go off the screen, you can see here you've got all your DAB. Their MMI system's very, very up to date. It's very quick and touch screen. You can just move around. On here, you can see the Black Edition, so you get all that black trim running along the dashboard in piano black with the Quattro badge. Just a lovely car. Warranty with Audi till 2024. Wireless charging in there as well, which I love on a car, so you can just drop your phone down on there. You get driver assistance, you get lots of safety features as well, and you get air suspension. So you get a lot of car for your money. Look at the space in the back. Digital climate control, bags of room, all the Isofix seats. They're very, very safe, very roomy cars, Q7s. And I think they represent really, really good value. Something like this, just gone a year old, 7 seats, great spec, looks the part. Look at them lights at the back. Navarra Blue's a fantastic colour. 22-inch wheels, sliding sunroof, 3-litre diesel, nearly 300 horsepower, 2 years Audi warranty. Great, great car. Going live on our website now. Thank you for watching.